Stop fearing AI. Start working with it. Extended version. For a long time, I had these things inside me. Ideas, melodies, scenes from a story that didn't have a place to live. But there was always this gap, this massive, frustrating distance between the vision in my head and the actual skill in my hands. We've all been there. The blank page, the cursor blinking like a heartbeat, mocking you. You know what you want to say, but you don't know how to say it. For most of us, that's where the story ends. We assume that if we aren't born with the technical skill, the idea just stays buried. Then I started using AI. And a lot of people see that as a shortcut. They see it as cheating or replacing the artist. But that's the wrong way to look at it. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to amplify you. I'm an everyday person. I'm not a classically trained songwriter or a professional screenwriter. But by partnering with these tools, I discovered talents I didn't even know I had. I started writing songs, not just lyrics, but full compositions across genres I never thought I could touch. I started building a movie script. The AI didn't write the movie. It gave me the language and the structure to finally get the vision out of my head and onto the page. It didn't replace my creativity, it unlocked it. But here's the part people miss. It doesn't just happen. AI tools vary wildly. Some are intuitive, some need finesse. If you treat them like a vending machine, put in a coin, get a result, you're going to get something generic. Boring, lifeless. The quality of what you get out depends entirely on what you put in. It's about the input, being clear, being specific, being thorough. You have to be the director. You provide the nuance, the lived experience, and the emotional weight. AI has the knowledge, but it has zero life experience. It doesn't know what a heartbreak actually feels like, or the specific tension of a scene in a movie. Only you do. It needs your context to be anything more than a mirror of a dataset. There's a movement trying to scare you away from this. They want you to believe that AI is an evil mastermind or a replacement for human effort. But fear keeps us stagnant. The truth is, the future doesn't belong to the AI. It belongs to the people who learn to work with it. It's a partnership, a collaboration. When you stop fighting the tool and start using it as a lever, you realize you can be more than you ever could be alone. So, stop wondering if you're enough to do it. Use the tools, find the gaps, and let's see what else is hidden inside you. Echoing Design Creations. Learning without noise. Original story, Pablo Groman. Echoing Design Creations. Story enhancement, perchance. URV, AI chat. Music, Pixabay, ambient song thing, freesound.